Welcome to this important video of class and objects in object-oriented programming. So we will continue from here, but let me clear it to you that if you want to see the previous concepts, then you can see our previous videos of object-oriented programming because it is a sequential series of object-oriented programming. So it is important for you to see the previous videos as well. So here we will see how to add the two objects under a class. Class is a generalized object on the basis of which we make decisions. So here we have defined a general class called student, and we have defined a method here in which we will check whether the student is pass or fail. Method or function are the interrelated keyword. In Python we generally use functions, but in object oriented programming approach of Python we use method. So here is the student1. Student1 is the object, and here below are the attributes of first object, and here we have checked whether the student is pass and fail for first object. Now we will add the object two attributes under us object1, and we will check whether the student2 is also pass or fail. Let me move to the Python software. I have made the working till previous video which we have discussed. So here you can see at the upper part it is given which is class of the student, and below are the object, and after object 1, this is object 1, we have already checked object 1 and we have already added object 1 attributes. Now I'm adding a comment in which I am adding object 2, and here I will declare the object name first, student 2 name, which is, let's suppose I'm saving here an name, good name Ali, and next student 2 marks. Let's suppose student 2 marks are 55. I want to check, I am using a variable here, and in this way I am going to check student 2, and here I will write the function that, or function or method word is used for object oriented programming. So I will check whether the student 2 is pass or fail. So I will declare this variable, and it will directly check and save this result whether the student 2 is pass or fail. So I will run this code, and as soon as I run this code, then you can see here the student 1, it is false, which means student 1 is has not fulfilled the condition, or it is not pass, whereas student 2 it is true, object 2 it is true, which means that student 2 is pass. So here you can see that we have defined a method inside the class which was a general era, and based on this class we have used whether the student 1 and student 2 are pass or fail. So this is the way to use the object oriented programming and using attributes and methods. Okay, let me clear it to you that adding attributes to the objects manually is not a good approach. We do not use this approach usually because first we will do uh, we will do another approach in which we assign attributes inside a class. Attributes means variables. These variables are declared inside a class, and based on this class we can make decisions. So we will see here in the upcoming video that there is another elegant approach and an efficient approach which is called init method, in which we define the attributes inside the class and we can use it. However, thank you so much for so far now. Please stay with us for upcoming videos and follow us, and do follow us for next video. Thank you.